Step 1. Gather your ingredients: vegetable broth, flour or cornstarch for gluten-free, butter or oil, and seasonings. Step 2. Melt butter or heat oil in a saucepan over medium heat until it's shimmering. Step 3. Whisk in flour or cornstarch and cook, stirring constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes to form a roux. Step 4. The roux should turn a light golden color and have a nutty aroma. Step 5. Slowly pour in the vegetable broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps from forming. Step 6. Bring the mixture to a simmer, stirring occasionally until it begins to thicken. Step 7. Add your preferred seasonings: salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and dried herbs like thyme or rosemary. Step 8. Continue to simmer and stir for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the gravy reaches your desired consistency. Step 9. For a richer flavor, add a splash of soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce, vegetarian version, to the gravy. Step 10. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Add more salt, pepper, or herbs to your liking. Step 11. If the gravy is too thick, add a little more vegetable broth to thin it out. Step 12. Serve the hot and flavorful vegetarian gravy over mashed potatoes, vegetables, or your favorite dishes.